I'm almost leaning a little more bearish than bullish right now in the markets. But like I said, it's more from a technical standpoint. I see it as 50-50 at this point, whether this level holds or not. If it doesn't, then we do have some room to the downside to go. And then, of course, if you want to be the person who's into catastrophes, there's nothing underneath these levels that we set here. If you go 5 years, it's very concerning we break this level. 2600, 2550, very important level. We don't have anything significant for support in the markets down at 2100 in the SPX. So this would be very concerning if we start breaking this level here. But realistically, I don't think the news is there to do that. I don't think the news is there to do that. So while we may see 2600, 2550, this would be, I don't think anybody wants to see this range violated here.